Hey there, bowling enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're rolling into the world of bowling with 15 fascinating facts that will knock your socks off. So, grab your bowling ball and let's dive right in. Fact 1. Ancient origins. Did you know that bowling traces its roots back over 5,000 years to ancient Egypt? Archaeologists have found artifacts resembling bowling balls and pins in Egyptian tombs dating back 230 to 100 BC. Fact 2. 10 pins, 10 frames. The most common form of bowling played today is 10-pin bowling, where players aim to knock down 10 pins arranged in a triangular formation at the end of the lane. Each game consists of 10 frames, giving players ample opportunities to score. Fact 3. Perfect game. Scoring a perfect game in bowling means achieving a score of 300 by knocking down all 10 pins in each of the 10 frames. It's a rare feat that requires precision, consistency, and a bit of luck. Fact 4. Bowling balls evolution. Bowling balls have come a long way since their humble beginnings as wooden spheres. Today, they're made of various materials, including plastic, urethane, and reactive resin, each offering different levels of hook potential and performance. Fact 5. Bowling's Olympic history. Bowling has a rich history with the Olympic Games. It made its debut as a demonstration sport in 1988 in Seoul, South Korea, and again in 1996 in Atlanta, Georgia. Although it's not currently part of the Olympic program, efforts are underway to bring it back. Fact 6. The Professional Bowlers Association (PBA). The Professional Bowlers Association, or PBA, is the premier organization for professional bowlers worldwide. Established in 1958, it hosts a series of tournaments where bowlers compete for cash prizes and prestige. Fact 7. Bowling's health benefits. Bowling isn't just a fun pastime, it's also a great way to stay active and healthy. It helps improve hand-eye coordination, balance, and muscle strength, making it an ideal activity for people of all ages. Fact 8. The Bowling Green Massacre. Did you know that the Bowling Green Massacre is a fictional event? It gained notoriety in 2017 when a senior White House advisor mentioned it in an interview, sparking widespread confusion and ridicule. Fact 9. The oldest bowling alley. The oldest known bowling alley in the United States is located in Holler House, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. It's been in operation since 1908 and still features manual pin setters and original wooden lanes. Fact 10. Bowling's global popularity. Bowling is enjoyed by millions of people worldwide and is particularly popular in countries like the United States, Japan, South Korea, and Germany. It's a social activity that brings people together across cultures and continents. Fact 11. The 7 to 10 split. The 7 to 10 split is one of the most challenging shots in bowling, where the bowler must knock down the 2 pins located at the back corners of the lane. It's so difficult that it's often referred to as the bedposts or goalposts. Fact 12. Bowling's governing body. The governing body for bowling worldwide is the International Bowling Federation (IBF). It oversees the rules and regulations of the sport, organizes international competitions, and promotes the growth of bowling globally. Fact 13. The world's largest bowling alley. The world's largest bowling alley is located in Japan at the Inazawa Grand Bowling Center. It boasts a staggering 116 lanes, providing ample space for bowlers to test their skills and have fun. Fact 14. Bowling's social impact. Bowling has long been a popular social activity, bringing friends, families, and communities together. It's not just about knocking down pins, it's about creating memories and forging lasting connections. Fact 15. Bowling's Guinness World Records. Bowling enthusiasts have set some remarkable Guinness World Records over the years. From the longest marathon bowling session to the highest score achieved by a blindfolded bowler. It's a testament to the passion and creativity of bowlers worldwide. And there you have it, 15 incredible facts about bowling that showcase its rich history, global appeal, and enduring legacy. Whether you're a casual bowler or a seasoned pro, there's always something new to learn and appreciate about this timeless sport. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep aiming for those strikes.